Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page. It's been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is vitality. I need you to work on your vitals. I need you to eat right, treat your body well, pamper yourself. You only have one body in this lifetime. Take care of it. Treat it like a machine. It shall break down as such. I need you on a massage bed twice a month, a chiropractic office at least twice a month, so we can make sure we open up that lymph system, so we can clean the junk out, get some pressure off those nerves, so we're not balls of tension walking around, and then we can actually feel better. Because once we feel better, we think better, and our lives become better. Please stay away from pork. Please stay away from shellfish. There's no way we can manifest a healthy body with a filthy diet. I'm a being of light, which you are. I accept the divine energy in my body. I allow it to blossom by feeding it the right things. And every one of my cells regenerates. Treat yourself well. It'll treat you even better. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.